Namaskaram. I am Guru Sri S. Krishnan, Founder Director Padma Shri Kala Mandir, a temple of classical dance established at Hosur since 2007. Today, being April 29th, I am wishing one and all a very happy International Dance Day 2020. On this important day for the dance fraternity, I would like to extend my congratulations and best wishes to all the upcoming artists and gurus for being a part of this wonderful online event organized by Nritya Lakshana, founded by Srimati Lakshmi Karthik, Bangalore. My message to the young artists: dance passionately. That passion towards the art will get you to heights that you can never imagine in life. Whatever be the presentation, big or small, do it with dedication and put sincere efforts. That brings discipline in you. Once again, all the best to the young budding artists. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Chitra and I've been learning this art form from my guru, Acharya Shironmani, Srimati Vani Gayatri Bala. I've learned this art form since the age of 6 and have successfully completed my Arangetam under her guidance. I would like to dedicate this song, and the two people I inspire most are my parents and my guru. They have helped me to face my challenges and overcome them, and also have guided me to where I am. I believe that this dance for harmony brings harmony and peace to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you.